TechnoIllustrator. Inserting shapes. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Paint. Click on Start and type Paint in the search bar. Then, click on Paint. You may also just go to Start, All Programs, Paint. Step 2. Draw a circle for the face. Click and drag to form a circle on your drawing area. Be sure to hold Shift to make a circle. Be sure also that the size below is 358 by 358 px. Step 3. Draw oblong shapes for the eyes. Using the same circle tool, draw oblong shapes by clicking and dragging on your drawing area. Be sure not to place the oblong in the middle of the circle, place it a little above left to make up the left eye. Do the same thing for the right eye. Be sure it has the same size with the left eye. Step 4. Draw a rectangle for the mouth. This rectangle will serve as the mouth of your robot face. Make sure to move the rectangle in the lower center of the face. Step 5. Draw some lines for the teeth. Select the Line tool and draw vertical lines in the rectangle you have made for the mouth. Step 6. Save your work. Save your work by clicking on File in the upper left corner of your screen, beside the Home tab. Select Save. Name your work as Happy Face. Click on Save button.